Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I finally have my Secret Not Secret kit for, are you ready for this? November. Yes, I knew I was getting a gigantic mega December daily kit, and Christina had been working on it for months, and I asked her to send it to me first and let this be my kind of like December kit and my December kit be my November kit. And then December came and it was crazy and she sent it, but I just told my mom to hold on because I wasn't ready for it yet. But I'm ready now, so it's my November kit, but it's January. And I'm so excited. This is all based off of Coco Vanilla Studios' Bohemian Dream, and I'm excited. I have looked at this because it came to my house last week, but I couldn't film it until today. Life is finally back to normal. But oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. So let's start off with my mixed media is this beautiful Dylusions pink paint. It's so pretty and it matches absolutely perfectly. It's rose court. So it's, oh, I just love it. And then I got two sheets of, so I got chipboard stickers and the sticker sheet. This is so fun for me because I love my little bits of ephemera and stuff. And if you've watched any of my videos lately, I've kind of been telling you I'm trying to use up these like word phrases and stickers. So that's a good challenge for me. And I love this, these little birdies and this happy. This is such a girly Nora-y type vibe. I love it. I got some more of this size doily. I swear if Christina put this size in my kit every month, I would be as happy as could be because I love this size. I have the bigger ones, but I don't have this small size, and I love it so much. And then I got some of the 6x6 papers. Let's see if I can put this on a little bit more of a muted thing. So the pretty hearts. This bluey, purpley, just awesome one. The watercolored blue, some more hearts. These are kind of like watercolored hearts. The patchwork and a wood grain, a whitewash wood grain on top of that. So those are fantastic. Sorry about Nora, guys. I didn't realize anything was on for her to be playing with. And then for my paper, I have, maybe I should just stop. Hold on. Nora says, hello everybody, here I am. I'm sorry for being so loud, but I'm very cute, aren't I? Yes you are. Yes you are. Yes you are. Okay, let's see if we can do this now. Paper, big paper. Oh, you guys, okay. This one is called Dreamer. I love both of these. Like, how do you pick? They're both so pretty. This one is a Boho bits, so that's the hearts, and then this is the bits, obviously, all this fun cut apart stuff, and it's just so pretty. Here's this beautiful, isn't that, oh, it's just fun and playful, and then this back, beautiful purple. So this is abstract. Gypsy Heart, so that's a really pretty blue with the watercolored hearts there. Abundant, I love this bluey, purpley, just beautiful. But look at those florals. Oh my goodness. I have a fun piece of just random vellum because I mentioned that I don't actually have any vellum and Christina laughed at me. This one is a fun, this reminds me of like a birthday. I might, oh, could I save it all the way to March? And then this is Wild and Free, but it's also got this beautiful blue. And then I have a cut apart. That's not a cut apart. It's a die cut. And this is from Dear Lizzie, The Enchanted. But oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? Ah, so pretty. Here's this really fun floral with this back piece. I'll definitely use it for this. This is Flower Child. And oh, you know what? I got 2 sheets of this Wild and Free, so I can save one of them and use them for Nora's birthday. I don't know if Christina meant to give me 2 sheets of that, so I'm spoiled there. And let me get this set up so you can see the fun goodies. I'm so sorry about the noise, you guys. She's just like her little brother. Okay, so there is some enamels, a bunch of really cute wood veneers. I have 3 flares that I just love, and these are like, I just love them. They're thin, so they're beautiful. I have another one of these. I still am hoarding the first one I got, so that love. And then some hearts and a little, like these little gem enamel dot type things, which I think is Christina's way of challenging me. And these beautiful, beautiful florals. They're acrylic, or resin. They're not that thick though. They would work on a layout. If you compare them to a wood veneer, it's really actually not that different. So, or a flare badge. It's not that thick. So I think that those are pretty usable. So those are my little bits of fun. And then for my die cuts, again, completely spoiled by all of these beautiful die cuts. So most of them are florals because she knows how much I love to tuck in florals on my layouts. So most of them are. And then I have one little banner piece. This says Fine and Dandy. She did give me one of the feathers because I love feathers that shine bright. This fly, what a gem. This is the one piece I'm not sure I'll use. I don't understand the gem theme, but that's okay. I may find a way to use it anyways. And then this fun little tab because I love myself some tabs. So beautiful. It's so pretty, and I am so excited to dig in and start, and I've been patiently waiting, so I'm very, very excited. Thank you, Christina. I absolutely adore it. You couldn't have made this any better at all. Like, it's just perfect. So, and I am going to challenge myself because this is so girly to make a Jackson layout with it too. So keep your eyes out for that because I will definitely try to make a boy layout with all of this fun girly stuff. The bags even match, you guys. Come on. How amazing is she? All right, thanks everyone so much for watching, and I will be back soon.